In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto using Deriv, because if you're in Africa, you probably know that you can't join Binance if you're in other countries, or maybe you can't join Bybit or other crypto wallets like Coinbase, right? Let me show you how to do that exactly using Deriv and why I like to trade crypto using Deriv. So first of all, you have to understand that Deriv have been there for 26 years now, and most people just know Deriv maybe for trading synthetic indices, for trading forex, and for trading other instruments like gold and other metals, right? But you can also buy and sell crypto, and let me show you how to do that. First of all, I will show you how to store crypto on the Deriv platform, right? So if you click the link in the description and you create your Deriv account, right, I'm going to give you a free access to our premium tools like the Gold Apex Pro and other instruments that you can use to trade forex and make your trading easier. Just click the link in the description and get all the instructions. But before we do that, let me show you how to buy and sell crypto and even store crypto using the Deriv platform, right? So first of all, you know that if you create your account, you are going to come to this Deriv page right here, right? So on this page, if you click on Traders Hub right here, you are going to see all the accounts that you can create on Deriv, right? First of all, we have the options accounts right here, right? On the options account, right, we have what is called a fiat account. This is the account that you use to deposit or withdraw from Deriv. This is your main account, right? If you see here, mine have already is already on Bitcoin, right? Use if you create your account, right, it might be on USD like this, right? So if it is on USD like this, all you have to do is you have to click this draw down right here, and then you can see that we have other accounts that I've created, which have the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, and the Tether accounts. You can also remove or add other accounts right here by clicking on add account, right? You can see all other cryptocurrencies that you can add right here, right? You can, if you want fiat currencies, you can also change that right here, right? So for example, if I want USDC, if I want to receive money in USDC, I just have to click here, and then I'll click add account, right? And then I can transfer money from another cryptocurrency into this cryptocurrency. Then I can use that money to trade, or I can store it right here, right? So first of all, you have to understand that if you want to do this, you do not want to like launder money using this platform, because they will verify you and they will find that you are not really trading with the money, you are just laundering. So just be careful. But you can store your crypto here. You can get someone to send you money through this platform right here, and you can use that money for trading. Okay, now let me show you how to trade cryptocurrencies on this platform, right? So once you have your account right here, so for example, I'm just going to, I can select my Bitcoin account right here, and then you can see there is a few Bitcoins right here. This is just a few dollars in there, right? Now, if I drop down with this page right here, and if I come to the Deriv MT5 accounts right here, right? I have different accounts right here. You can also use C-Trader to do the same thing that I'm about to show you. But I'll just open on the Deriv MT5 account. I'll just open one of the accounts. You just have to create these accounts, and then I'll open MetaTrader web, right? So you can connect your MetaTrader on your laptop, or you can download MetaTrader for your phone, but in this case I'll just use the web platform right here, right? On this platform, this is where you just buy and sell cryptocurrencies or any other instrument, right? But in this case we are focusing on crypto, right? Now if I click here on the search, right, if I go to on this right hand side right here, and if I click on the search right here, and if I come to crypto right here, you can see that there is 39 cryptocurrencies that you can trade using your Deriv account. Right now, you can see that on this platform right here, you have a list of all the cryptocurrencies that we can trade right here. Right, for example, these are the selected one. We have Bitcoin to US dollar right here. Now, here's what you have to understand when you are trading these crypto coins. When you are buying and selling these crypto instruments, you are not necessarily buying and holding the Bitcoin in your hands. You are trading based on the price of that instrument, right? But here you are trading it in US dollar. So for example, let's say I'm trading BTC USD right here. It simply means I'm trading based on the price of Bitcoin to US dollar. This is called CFD trading, right? We are just using the price of that to make our predictions and our trades right on this platform. Right? For example, if I'm trading this Bitcoin US dollar, you will see here that what we are doing here is I'm just predicting if the price of Bitcoin to US dollar is going to go up or down, and then the money that I will buy or sell this crypto with, it is going to be added in my account, right? So let's take a trade, for example. Before we do that, I want to tell you that there is other cryptocurrencies that you can trade right here. For example, you have the Trump coin versus US dollar, which is a crypto that have been going down. You can see month by month it have been going down. So not all cryptocurrencies will go up, right? So you have to be careful. You have to understand that there's risk involved. But if you do want to trade, you have to understand that some crypto coins are going to gain value, some are not going to get value. Most of the new crypto coins will move a lot. So the other thing that you have to understand, for example, the Solana, a lot of people have been using the Solana for a lot of things on the internet, and as a result, it has been going up for the most part, right? So this is not financial advice, but you have to just know how to analyze these things before you buy or sell. So for example, just to come back to crypto right here, Bitcoin have been going up. We have a sudden drop right here. So we have a huge move to the upside and then a sudden drop. So in the past few months, it have been going to the downside, right? But the other thing is you can trade this as a day trader. You can buy and sell in the same day, and I'll show you why you need to do that, right? So in this case, I'm just predicting that crypto will just continue to go down for the next few minutes, right? So I'm just going to click here where it says new order. Once you click on new order, you want to select your lot size. If your account is small, the smaller the account, the smaller the lot size you want. That's basically what I can simply say, right? So when you click sell right here, you can see it is very fast. If you trade on the web page, it is already we are already in the trade, and the trade is running right here, right? So the trade will start on a small negative because of the commissions that you have to pay to the broker. Now, understand this about commissions, right? The number one reason why I like to use Deriv rather than other wallets when trading crypto is because the spreads here are very low. The commission that you are paying is very, very low on that trade. For most of the wallets, right, where once you transfer money from other crypto to other crypto, then there's going to be a huge charges. If you buy and sell on other platforms, there's going to be huge charges on there, right? So as you can see now, we have our trade in small profits right here, right? Now, it doesn't mean every trade is going to go to profit, but as you can see, it moving up and down, right? Now, the other thing that you want is here where it says swap right here, right? You want to understand where it says swap, right? Swap is the money that you pay if you hold your trade overnight, right? So if I place this trade, right, and if I let it run for the whole day until tomorrow, right, I will pay a small fee here, which is called the swap fee, right? Now, when you are creating your Deriv account, right, the swap fee here is paid for on most of the platforms that you will use, right? But if you are using Deriv, right, on your account right here, right, you can choose a swap free account. You can see here we have an account which is called swap free account, right? If I choose this account and then if I open my MetaTrader terminal and if I buy or sell on this one, then that means that I'm not going to be paying any swap fee, right? So you choose the account that you want. That is the other reason why you maybe want to use a Deriv platform for buying and selling crypto. Okay, so the other reasons why I chose to use Deriv instead of other dedicated crypto wallets is because Deriv have got a very easy payment methods, right? I can just deposit money using DP2P. I can use in other crypto wallets, I can use e-wallets, I can use a bank transfer, I can use cards and a lot of other things. It's very easy for me to deposit and withdraw into a Deriv, right? The other obviously is that you can also, as you saw, I can store my money as crypto, right? I can take my money and then store it on the Deriv platform as crypto, right? And also Deriv have been there in the market for 26 years. So obviously I know it is a reliable broker. I know that chances of my money being hacked or the chances of my money being stolen are very, very slim, right? And also I like that you can easily move money from real US dollars to cryptocurrency, right? Very, very easy on the same platform. So that is exactly why I chose to use Deriv. If you want to use Deriv, you can also click the link in the description and join, right? So because the thing is that if you do that, I will give you premium tools that you can use for completely free. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.